Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. Look. Here I come. In 3, 2, oh, Nelly. 1. Bang! Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Welcome. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show. In the multiverse. Greatest show in the daggone multiverse. And we have a great show for you. Bang! Today. Yes. I tell you, you're welcome in advance. You're welcome in advance, Fdics. Oh, yeah. All right, guys. Seriously, though. Well, that is serious. But look. All right, seriously, guys, we have a great show. Yes. I know I'm a day late. We have the Masters. We have the Masters right now, daggone. So I got to hurry up and do this. Go back and watch the fourth round. Phil Mickelson just had a bogey on the first hole. Shit. All right. Let's just hurry up here. Look, first story, Chiliz Onboards Formula One teams. Bang! We're going to talk about that. Chiliz hodlers. If you don't have that Chiliz, I don't tell people what to buy. But I will just make an analysis of Chiliz. That's quality goods. That's revenue generating product. That's what the level I'm talking about. Not saying to go buy it, but I will say this. If you said to me, Shomari, I just bought a 10-piece chicken worth of Chiliz, I'd probably give you a good nod. Yes, brother. Nice. And I'd tell you what to buy, but that'd probably be my reaction. Yes. All right, just saying. And then Polkadot announces Kusama is ready to host parachains. We're going to talk about that. And then, then we get to the big deal. So this is the big deal. The United States Federal Reserve, the OCC, that's the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, and the FDIC, that's the Federal... what is that? Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. They're going to set up an interagency team just for crypto. All right, so we're going to check that out. And then we're going to do the shout-outs, daily summary, and as usual, I will probably yap somewhere in here. So, look, let's proceed how we proceed with a bang. Yes. Oh, yeah, and then let's go look at the carnage. Bang, the carnage. The carnage continues. Do a little refresh on the carnage. Dang-nammit, the carnage. Price of Bitcoin, $33,001. Olay, the carnage. Yeah, so I mean, if there is anything at all out there that you've had your eye on that you want to buy, now is the time. Now's the time. Usually I do stories and I'm always like, now's not the time, sweetie. Or your homeboys, now's not the time, bro. Well, if there's anything you need to buy, well, now's the time. Yeah, this looks like a sustained. This looks like we're in a sustained period here. So, go get your goods. All right. Let's see. Price of Bitcoin is $33,001. And actually, it just went up. Look at that. Now it's $33,190. It's going up as I speak. Of course it is. The multiverse is speaking now. All right, just kidding. All right, let's move on. And when I left you on Friday, we were at $36,186. So we have gone down. $3,185. $3,185. Look, all right. We going out right here. All right, top 10 of the day, brothers and sisters. Look, top 10, the usual band of suspects. Let me get myself prepared here. Holy, look at this. Double digit down again. All right. Top 10. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Dogecoin, Cardano, Binance Coin, XRP, Internet Computer, Polkadot, and USD Coin. Let's see what the market moves of the day are. Just double digits down, folks. Look! Get those sales. Oh, I'm afraid to even see what this V chain looks like. Double digits down. Yay! V chain, daggone. Yay! Motherfucker was at 26 cents the other day, daggone. Look, all in due time, folks. All in due time. We are waiting for the tsunami to arrive. So anytime before now in the tsunami, for regulatory clarity, I don't give a fuck what the prices do. I don't care. That's what I've been preaching on this channel from the very beginning. All this wiggle, 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 crazy little pumps, wiggle, wiggle, and all this. Well, you know, that, it's all retail money. That's all retail money. Well, I'm not here for retail money. I'm here for, and what this channel is about is institutional money. And that money comes when we get regulatory clarity. And so, it's interesting to watch what's going on right now. Well, I mean, since 2018 till now, but I don't care. I'm here for the big money, right? Institutional money, and that's why you don't see me worry. It's just buy the dips, buy the dips, buy the dips, buy the dips. You know, it's just always buy the dips, buy the dips. And, well, buy the dips of revenue-generating product. Chiliz, like what I'm about to read to you. Because when smart money gets here, well, they're not going to be fucking around. It's not going to be Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. It's going to be, if that thing makes money, it's going to fly. If it doesn't, yeesh. Yeesh. There's going to be a major culling of the herd, a separation between the quality and the garbage. And that's why on this channel, we preach one thing. Build a cryptocurrency warehouse big. Bang! Build a cryptocurrency warehouse strong. Bang! And fill it with revenue-generating product. With revenue-generating product so that when the smart money gets here, when those analysts get here, right? They have analysts. That's why they're called smart money, right? Because they got a bunch of smarty pantses looking into everything for them, right? When they get here, as long as you've got revenue-generating product, yeah, well, you're going to be loaded. You're going to be loaded. So do not worry. I know it's sad. I know it's a standard of human emotion. It's just human emotions. I've told you the stories. Well, I mean, I admitted it the other day to you when I first started investing. Yeah, I used to let the market sort of drive how I felt. But then I started to learn, like, well, Shomari, you were nervous about nothing. Right? Like, you know, I'd make a trade, say a short, so that means to make money going down, and then the trade would turn on me, and I'd be like, oh no, and so for the whole day, it would be against me, and so for that whole day, I felt like shit. Oh man, I would just feel like garbage the whole day, thinking about it, keep looking at it, is it changed, and then it would go my way the next day, and then bang, bang, hit my price targets and done. So in the end, what I learned after being such a fearful little chicken, I mean, we all are at the beginning. We're all a little weak hands at the beginning. I mean, you've got to go through markets to learn not to be that way, because it's just human nature, obviously, when you're losing, to feel bad, right? To kind of feel bad, right? That's human emotions. But then after so many trades, after getting worried so many times, I'd be in a trade long, it would go against me, but then my trade would work out. I'd go short, it would go against me, but then my trade would work out. I realized, Shomari. Well, not just realized, I mean, everybody teaches you the same, they say the same thing in the market. Like, they teach you this, and when you go online and you read about trading, don't let the emotions get to you. If you're in a good trade, just be confident that you are, and you'll realize if you let the emotions get to you, well, you're going to realize 9 times out of 10, all that emotional shit you went through, it was unnecessary. It was unnecessary. You got to your price target, you made your money, and done. Right? That's just the nature of the markets. They don't go exactly your way just, unrelenting. There's always ups and downs till you get to the price target, right? And so, so this bloodbath here, this is a time to accumulate. This is the time to put money in your, put money in the markets and put coin in your portfolio. And as long as that thing is generating revenue, you can rest assured that when smart money gets here, bang, you're going to be loaded. This daily up and down with these retailers that we're dealing with now, these unsophisticated soccer moms and dads and kids with green hair and nose rings, well, who gives a fuck? Don't worry about the price right now. Because when big money gets here, well, they're going to take over and, they're going to do things proper, right? They're going to invest in revenue-generating product. And the market's going to change. It's not just going to be when Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. When Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down, right? It'll be like a regular stock market. If there's good news from that company, boom, the stock goes up. Bad news from that company, bang, it's going to get crushed. And so we're waiting for the professionalization of this space. And that's what this channel has been about from day one. Waiting for the professionalization, meaning, because when it gets professional, that means the tsunami has arrived. And that's what we're waiting for. So do not let the markets sort of sway your emotions. You know what I mean? Because it sucks. It sucks. I've been there. I'm a Forex trader. Fuck, man. When I first started, it was mentally taxing. It was mentally taxing. You know what I mean? So many times you think, fuck this, man. Just fuck this. But don't worry about it. Don't worry, guys. All right? I know it's mentally taxing. I've been when I first started trading, I've been a newbie to the goodie room. Right? We all are. You got to join sometime. And when you first get there, when you first join the goodie room, well, you're hoping for gains, but people don't really tell you how to handle the pain of the losses or the pain of when something goes against your desires for what the market what you want the market to do for you, right? But as long as you have invested wisely, because if you've just thrown your if you got a portfolio full of dog shit, wow, you should be worried. But if you're like my subscribers, if you've been here for a while and you fill your portfolio with revenue generating product, don't worry. Don't worry. When smart money gets here, you're going to be rich. Than you probably are already. Wow. Some champions. Right? So don't worry about it, guys. Like I said, fuck. The other day I told you I lost 400 grand so far on the market. Yeah, I'm probably at about not lost. I'm down from my highs, right? I'm probably down now about 700 G's. Just in the past few days. Yeah, do I look worried to you? No. No, guys. The big money hasn't arrived yet. When big money gets here, if your portfolio goes down, well, that's when you got to reassess the situation, right? But until they get here, do not stress about fucking kids with green hair and nose rings and a bunch of retail investors just making silly choices, okay? All right, let's move on. Where were we here? Yes, we were taking an overview of the carnage. Look, double digits down. Double digits down. Fucking double digits down. Double digits down. Double digits down. Everybody lost like in the 20s, right? About a fifth of their value today. And so, and if you're a new person, I know this is going to sound counterintuitive to you, but if you're new to markets or new to this channel or whatever, now's the time to buy. Everything's on sale. Fucking sales. Look, fucking sales. Like I said, The V chains were at 26 cents, I don't know, about 3 weeks ago. All right, they're talking about 7 cents right now. Now's the time to buy. Now's the time to buy. I'm not telling you to go buy V chain, but just whatever you want, whatever the asset is you want, go get it. Because, yeah, you're not going to see. We'll see. I mean, who knows how long this carnage will last. But it's probably, just, it's the time to buy. Buy the dips. Buy the dips. Where's Chiliz at? There it is. Bang, 18 cents. All right, there it is. Good. I'm going to buy more Chiliz, actually. Perfect. Yeah, so see, that's what you do. You just use this time to buy. Like I said, I'm about to read you about Chiliz right now. Yeah, they just booked 2 more Formula One teams. That's car racing. And, that's revenue-generating product. Yeah, well, when smart money gets here, look, right? They're going to invest in it. They're going to buy it, which will drive up the price. So as long as you've got revenue-generating product in your portfolio, as my subscribers should have, you should have no worries. Now, if you're a crazy guy out there just buying all sorts of madness, wow, you'll just see what happens. We'll just see what happens. But for the rest of you who actually have revenue-generating product, you built a cryptocurrency warehouse big, bang! You built a cryptocurrency warehouse strong, bang! And you filled it. You filled it with revenue-generating product. You have no worries. All right, so let's see who the top 10 losers are of the day. If you see anything on here you like, go get it because it's on sale. Obviously, everything's on sale. So that's sort of a stupid thing to even say right at this point. But it's just how it is. So look, top 10 losers. Terra, Horizon, Thorchain, Solana, PancakeSwap, Zcash, Telcoin, Synthetics, Swissborg, and Engine Coin. Let's see who made money. Probably not anybody. It's probably all stablecoin shit. Bang! As I suspected. All right, top 10 gainers. Oh, Shiba, look at you, though. Wow. Almost 1% up, whatever. All right, top 10 gainers. Shiba, DAI, Binance USD, Paxos Standard, Tether, USD Coin, True USD, HUSD, Unosedlio, and Terra USD. All stable coins. All right, so we always do the top 10, bottom 10 of the week on the weekend show. So let's check that out. Let's see who lost money this week, the biggest losers this week. All right. All right, top 10. Hold on. Is that right? Hold on. Let me do that again. All right, so that's the right numbers. All right, so top 10 losers this week. Terra, Thorchain, Phantom, OKB, Qtum, PancakeSwap, IOTA, Zcash, Huobi Token, and Polkadot. Let's see who... Wow. Let's see if anyone made money this week. If anyone. Bang! What do we got? Oh, just the stable coins. Okay. So it was the true market thrashing except for stable coins. All right, so top 10 gainers of the week. Tether, DAI, HUSD, Paxos Standard, USD Coin, Binance USD, True USD, Terra USD, and Celsius. All right. Let's see what the market cap is. Total market cap. Hold on. Fuck. Man, we are bleeding market cap big time. I had to put my head right in there just to make sure I was looking at the right fucking thing. All right. Scheiße. All right. Total market cap is $1.303 trillion. Holy, we're marching quickly away from the 200 trillion. This market is bleeding heavy. Yes. Bunch of risk off, daggone. That's how it goes. Don't worry. The money will be back. And we've gone down literally $0.222 trillion. Look, so let's see what 24-hour volume is. Fuck. And you hate to see that. Fucking heavy volume on a good bleed day. On a big bleed day. No, it's not what you like to see. Fucking weekends and fucking risk off. Just fuck. That's how it works. Like I showed you, I showed you last year my trades when I was doing I was showing you my trades during the not housing crash. The Corona crash, when the Dow was crashing, right? You saw that, right? Just weekends, right? The Dow was down 1,000 today, down 2,000 today, down 3,000. Just goes like that for a while, right? But then you recover. Yeah, look at the Dow now. Look at the NASDAQ now, right? Don't worry about it, folks. All right, so where are we at? Where are we talking about? All right, so 24-hour volume is $199.22 billion. When I left you on Friday, we were at $230.1 billion. So we have gone down $31 billion. All right, let's get to the daggone stories. Yes, enough of this bloodbath. Oh, yeah. Fucking stepping over arms and legs. Oh, yeah. It's feeling like 2018 all over again. Yes, good times, good times. I find it funny, right? I find it funny, all these people selling all their shit. Yeah, it's because they're stupid. They're not stupid. They're uninformed, They don't know, right? Motherfuckers, we just got Gary Gensler. Give him a minute to do something. We're getting regulatory clarity. Like, give it some time. Weekends, they don't have time for time, right? They're here for get rich quick. They think they're going to put their money in and become a millionaire next week. Wow. Doesn't quite work like that, son. Doesn't quite work that way. But look, let's move on. Bang! Chiliz takes to the track with Formula One fan token. So, I know you all know what Chiliz is, but, just for new people if they're watching. Chiliz, what they do is they make, I'll be quick about it. What they do is they make what's called fan tokens. And what that does is any sporting team can join this Chiliz thing. They get fan tokens, and their fans can buy tokens of the team and can interact with the team. It's for fan, what do they call that thing? What do they call that? Fan interaction kind of thing? Like a fan interaction. There's a name for it. I'm sure they'll say it in here. Anyways, and so that's what happens. So this company, Chiliz, they've got many, many teams. I don't know about many, but they've got a bunch of teams that they've signed up for this thing, and big names. Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Saint-Germain, etc., etc. And now they've got a couple formula. They got MMA, that UFC thing. Now here they've got a couple. We're gonna read about a couple racing teams here, I think. Oh, it says 3. Oh, here it is. Hold on, sorry. Let's read the byline. Socios now counts 3 racing teams in 2 leagues in their roster. All right, so that's what it does. And so, like I said at the beginning of the show, Chiliz, that's revenue generating. In other words, this blockchain works. The use case is being actually used. This company called Chiliz is generating revenue. And so when smart money gets here, well, I can guarantee you that Chiliz is going to be in play big time. I mean, think about all the other teams around the world there are. Every country has sports. Every sports has teams. And every team has fans. Fuck, that's billions of people around the world. And so I guess what I'm saying is the potential for Chili's growth obviously is massive. They've only just begun. And, well, when you see the quality of the names that they have with them already, you can see that, they're not fucking around. I mean, they're getting the biggest and the best. And a company like this well, when they've got the biggest and the best like that, when they've got things like Juventus, Barcelona, Paris Saint-Germain, UFC sewn up, well, it's easy for them to go around the rest of the world and just onboard other teams. And the other teams and other stuff. And sorry. And the what I want to say to you, and shit, I had something I was gonna say. All right, guys. So it's not hard for them to sew up other teams, and so for me, this is a buy. This is a buy and hodl, because these guys are gonna. Well, it's gonna take them time to sew up more and more teams. Every team they sew up is a. That's what I wanted to say. There's another revenue. But what I wanted to tell you is, and what's beautiful about Chiliz is that the teams actually make money by doing this. So by offering the fan tokens, the team actually makes money. And so it's not just Chiliz begging a team, hey, man, use us, blah, blah, wouldn't it be cool and neat? And kind of the team's doing the company Chiliz a favor. Nah, Chiliz is like, look, dog, you're going to get to interact with your fans. I'll make some money. And guess what? You'll make some money. Oh, yeah. You see how it changes? You see how it changes when you can tell a motherfucker, look, you can make some loot out this. I got you, dog. Right? And so that's how this thing whole works. All right, so let's move on. Chiliz, man, I love it. Once I get back into buying shit, you guys know I got, that hack thing that went on the other day. So my Coinbase account is still, they haven't answered me yet. They still haven't answered whether they're going to reinstitute my account yet. And so I can't onboard fiat, so I can't buy anything right now. And so I'm just sort of in a kind of a crypto quarantine in that until I get my Coinbase account back, well, I can't buy anything. And I'll tell you right now, I'm just telling you what I would do. I'm not telling you to go buy it, but if I had my account right now, fuck, I'd be buying Chiliz like a motherfucker. You can get it on KuCoin. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is a long-term play. This is a quality company. Remember, that's all these are. Just like the stock market. It's nothing special. Crypto likes to razzle-dazzle you with crypto talk. All right. We're decentralized. We're gonna help the unbanked. We're gonna do this, that. Look. You're just a company. You're just a company. You know what I'm saying? Generating revenue or not. And Chiliz is obviously a revenue generator. Not only for themselves, but like I just said, for the teams even. All right, so let's actually read this thing. So, for Chiliz hodlers out there, I know Lorna All In Downs has some Chiliz. Look, all in. Best get some more. Well, I don't tell people what to do with their money, but if you were to put some more chicken in it, yes. That wouldn't be unwise of you. You know what I'm saying? That wouldn't be an unwise thing to do. Especially at these prices. Man. I'm almost thinking of opening some other account now so I can onboard my fiat and get to buying some shit right here, man. All right, guys, so look. The popular fan token reward and engagement blockchain Chiliz notched another win yesterday by signing a pair of popular European racing teams. In a press release on Friday, Socios.com, a fan token app built on Chiliz, announced that Aston Martin, Cognizant, and Alfa Romeo Racing, big names, were the latest to launch tokens on the platform. Bah! If you're into Formula One racing, you know all about Aston Martin and Alfa Romeo. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Fan tokens have been used to distribute merchandise, create augmented reality marketing campaigns, and in certain instances, allow fans to vote on things like team uniforms, and each asset that has brought in over $150 million in revenue for Socios. The Formula One teams weren't the only wins for Chiliz this week. as they join NASCAR's Rush Fenway Racing. So we read about this, Roush Fenway. The teams are among the first professional motor racing teams to experiment with blockchain technology, part of a growing number of sports and organizations using the tech to better connect with fans. Last week in a single day, oh yeah, look, he's bragging like a motherfucker. This is the CEO of Chiliz right here. Listen to this. Last week, in a single day, we announced 5 partnerships from 3 different sports across 3 continents. And now we've continued that momentum convincingly. Daggone right, it's convincingly. Daggone right. And these are brand names. Like these teams that they onboard. If you're not a sports fan, but you understand, you know some names, right? Yeah, these are the New York Yankees, the Dallas Cowboys, the LA Lakers of their sports. You know, the biggest. Right? Juventus is the biggest. Barcelona is the biggest, right, in their leagues. And so this guy's all proud. He's happy, as he should be. And there you go. If you need any more, well, I'm not trying to convince you to buy this because, you know, I don't tell people what to buy with their money, but, oh, yeah. The momentum is going convincingly. You're fucking right. You're fucking right. So, in the next few years, a generation of passive fans will shift into active fans. The transition will take place through transactional, that's what it's called, fan engagement on our platform. Right. So, fans get to engage the team. Yeah, some teams, you know, what was it? One of the teams, they allowed their fans to vote. So you buy the token and you get to vote who should be the starting lineup for the team. Yeah, a soccer team. I don't remember if it was Barcelona or Juventus, but they let the fans pick who the players on the pitch should be to start the game. Now, I'm not going to bullshit you as a sports fan. I don't know if I want the fans picking who the fuck should play on the pitch, but I mean, that's the level. That's how deep the engagement goes. You read just upstairs. Yeah, we read right up here. Yeah, it even allows them to choose what? Yeah. Things like the team fucking uniforms. Hey guys, what do you think? You like this color or this color? You know, like your wife when she's like, you're gonna take her out for the night, and so, all right, sweetie, go get dressed up. You know, you got, you know what I mean? When you make her get dressed up proper, right? Do you like the red dress or the black dress? You know, like that's how it is. Fan engagement, like the fans get to engage with the fucking team. All right, so just a couple examples there. And that's what it's all about, man. Transactional fan engagement, baby. Fan engagement. So, while Chiliz has effectively cornered the fan token market, multiple platforms continue to battle over the NFTs, memorabilia, and collectible. Why are you talking about that? Who gives a fuck? All right, so now they're getting into stupid talk. Anyways, so there you go. Bang! Chiliz hodlers. Bang! Yes. And if you are not a Chiliz hodler, wow. Hold on, let's go take a look at that. Bang! That motherfucker is on sale. I think it went up to 60 cents the other day. Now I'm sure it's way down. Let's see where we're at. Where's Chiliz at? There it is. Bang, 19 cents. 19 cents. 19 cents. So, a quality investment, in my opinion. Like I said, I don't tell people what to buy, but this is a quality investment. Just growing and generating revenue. And these are with the best teams in every league they go to. So, and that's the other thing. You got to remember, you know, they're with the Juventuses and Barcelonas of the world. Yeah, well, all the little miscreant teams underneath are going to join it too, right? Once the big boys are in, all the little guys are, I want to do the same thing. You know what I mean? Right? It's not like you're convincing them. because some shitty little team is using it, and now you're trying to convince a big dog. No, the big dogs are using it, and the little guys will just follow. So Chiliz is a solid long-term investment, in my opinion, for any portfolio. All right, let's move on. Bang! Look, Polkadot announces Kusama is finally ready to host parachains. All right. I really don't have anything to yap about it. Let's just read on. I just saw the Polkadot and the Kusama thing, so let's check it out. Kusama, a sister chain to Polkadot's platform, is ready for the rollout of parachains on the network. Polkadot and Kusama creator Gavin Wood said on Tuesday in a blog post that Polkadot was entering the fourth and final phase of its mainnet launch, which involves deploying parachains to the Kusama network. According to Wood, the development arm behind Polkadot, Parity Technologies, has released an upgrade, Polkadot version 0.9, for Kusama, which is now fully ready to host parachains. So, bang! Now fully ready to host parachains. Look! Wood said the launch of the parachain would proceed following a full external audit on the new version of Polkadot and Kusama, executing at least one successful auction involving crowd loans and hosting at least one functional parachain in the wild. He did not provide a specific timeline, but added he expects the audit to be completed in the near future, with the Kusama website announcing the first of 5 auctions 1 week in advance. After Kusama's first auctions complete successfully, one would expect Polkadot's auction to happen soon after. So the rollout of the Polkadot protocol has been ongoing since August, when the project launched its Wrapup testnet to evaluate its planned sharding implementation based on parachains. Some expected the rollout of parachains to occur in the first quarter of 2021, but there were reportedly issues with the Wrapup testnet's stability. For example, one of its parachains was apparently stuck for more than a day. So that's how that goes, but bang, there you go. So Kusama hodlers, so I don't know what kind of story this is. You know, Saturday we do things a little loose. We just do things a little loose. So I would view this as a Polkadot upgrade, and awesome for Kusama. There you go. All right. And then finally, let's check it out. Bang! All right, now we get into the deep. Now we get into the rules and regs. Because that's what it's all about, rules and regs. If you're new to this channel, probably wondering, man, why is this guy always talking about government stuff? Why is he always talking about these fucking ETFs and ETPs? Look, Fdic, we are not going to have a daggone crypto market without rules and regs. I know. But this is supposed to be rebel. This is supposed to take over the system. This is supposed to overthrow the system. Ah, moron. Don't be naive. Okay, grow up. That's not going to happen. This system's going to take this shit over. That's what we're waiting for. That's the tsunami we're waiting for. I'm not here for fucking green-haired kids with nose rings. Soccer mom and dad with their fucking $50 worth of crypto. I'm here for big daggone money. And you should be too. We're here for billions. Billions? Oh, hundreds of billions, brother. Trillions even. Trillions? Well, the market just went from, wow, it was at $2 trillion a few weeks ago. Now we've obviously been going through this little piece of carnage right here. So we're down to 1.3. But we were at 2 and change. Oh, that's the kind of money we're talking about. Big money. Big money. And so look. Oh, yeah. Let me get ready for this one. So the U.S. Fed, the OCC, and the FDIC set up interagency team for crypto, to set up interagency team for crypto regs. Bang! They're not waiting. In other words, so, all right, if you're new to this channel, let me explain who these people are. The U.S. Federal Reserve. You fucking know who the Federal Reserve is, right? Raise and lower interest rates, print money, burn money, bang, right? Like any other central bank. That's the U.S. Central Bank. Now, the OCC is a little more obscure. You know, unless you're a master, you probably don't know. The OCC is called the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency. Well, Who are they, Shomari? Let me tell you, brother. Those are the guys that control our banks. The OCC? Yeah, that's what it's called. It's called the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency. And, well, beautifully, thankfully, the last OCC chair, this is probably about the only good thing the Trump administration did, was put this one motherfucker in, and he allowed the banks here in America to custody crypto. Bang! All of them. Here you go. Have at it. Without custody, you have no market. Okay? That's how it works. I'm not going to explain what custody is, but that's where the money gets held in a market, right? With these custodians. And so you have to have regulated custodians to hold everyone's money. Yeah, and the OCC said, look, banksters, you guys want to get in some custody action? Go for it. And that's what gave us the nice run-up between November and January last year. November and February this year, I guess, February this year, because now the banksters are coming. And so now you've seen on this channel, I've been reading to you, this bank offering crypto custody, this bank offering custody, this bank getting into services. We read about, so that's America, but we've read about banksters in Switzerland, in Germany, offering crypto trading. We read about the India bank, that bank in India, offering their clients, not only offering them, but teaching them about crypto. We're literally teaching them with classrooms. If you want to learn about crypto, sit in the classroom. We have a class every day from 2 to 4 and offering services. So here come the banksters. That's what you need. You need the banksters in the space, right? Because a bankster is sort of what the average citizen interfaces with to get to the markets, right? Your bank, right? And so when your bank says something's cool, well, all right. You go, okay, fine, right? My bank says it's cool, fine. And so that's the blessing the OCC bestowed upon us last year. And the FDIC is the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation here in America. Anytime you have a bank account, well, any account, well, bank account. Let's just use a retail bank account because they have different levels of accounts. But we're just going to talk about me and you, your and I money, which is probably just retail. Here in America, you're insured up to $250,000 per account. Well, that's it. If your account ever gets hacked or stolen or something, oh no, you just get your money back, which never happens because banks in America don't get hacked and your money doesn't get stolen. But if it did, you'd get your money back. So unlike other countries, and this is probably the same in Europe. I know in Europe you guys have, I think over there in England, you guys have 150,000 pounds, right? On your insurance for your accounts. In Europe, I know it's over 100 grand. I don't remember the exact number, but I know you guys have over 100 grand for your accounts in Europe. And, that's the beauty. That's the beauty. So that's why you never have to worry, like, in other countries, like in Africa, or Southeast Asia, or the Middle, not the Middle East, South America, if your bank goes under, yeah, you're just fucked. You lost your money. That's it. Sorry, the bankster went down. Yeah, it doesn't work like that here. If Bank of America ever failed, which it would never, but if it did, all right, well, they just send you a check with your money. Here's your fucking money. Go deposit it somewhere else, fuckstick. Bank of America went down. So that's the beauty of the FDIC. All right. That's the U.S. Federal Reserve, the OCC, and the FDIC. And they're going to set up an interagency team for crypto regulations, only for crypto. That's what I like about this story. This agency this team they're going to set up. So you call it more like a task force. This task force they're going to set up, this is for crypto only. And what they want to do is They want to put out some rules of the road, the rules and regs. They want to start unleashing, let's get real, the hedge fund guys, right? The big money boys. Big money boys are demanding it. But as you know, here in America, big money boys are not allowed to come get your stuff yet. Chiliz is a working company. It's a revenue generating company. Yeah, but a hedge fund guy, he's not allowed to put his clients' money into that yet. And, I mean, if you're frustrated that, well, you lost a few grand lately, yeah, well, think about that hedge fund guy. He's sitting us here watching us make this money, and he can't come get any of it. So take solace in that. Take solace in that. And that the regular guy, while we're having troubles in the market, you're at least making money. Yeah, the big boys aren't even allowed to come here and start to play with us. So, all right, so let's check out the story. Look. Major financial regulators in the United States are considering establishing an interagency group dedicated solely to cryptocurrency matters. Bang! Oh, yeah. All right, that's the seriousness of it. And so if you're ever worried, and that's what I'm telling you, don't let these daily price moves fucking make your heart go up or down. Don't get too happy when you go up, and don't get sad when you go down. This whole market is being built, right? Crypto land is a new, digital assets are a new asset class. So we have to build the infrastructure around it to allow people to invest in it, right? Well, in a regulated way. I mean, people can invest in it now. Yeah, not like this. I'm not talking about it fuckers cutting and pasting and, wallet this, wallet that, swap this, swap that. I'm talking about the real shit. When these things are going to be just probably on some sort of national exchange, like a NASDAQ or something, and Soccer Mom and Dad will easily just buy, sell on their E-Trade accounts. That's the level we're waiting for. For this place to get professional, for this place to get, for the infrastructure to be built so that retailers and then what we care for, institutions, can interact with this space in a regulated, safe manner. Right now, what you and I are doing, this is some ghetto ass shit. This is ghetto ass. We got to gentrify this neighborhood. we got to gentrify this space. We got to clean this space up. You know what I'm saying? We got to clean this place. We got to clean this motherfucker up. And that's what's coming. And so, it's things like this that are going to do just that. Now, you got that protection. You can't have Soccer Mom fucking on some wallet and then the wallet gets hacked and her money's gone. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. That right there, that's not going to work. And so, you can't have people getting cheated, hacked, stolen their shit and all that. You got to have it locked down and proper. And so we're dealing with this shit now. Look, Soccer Mom and Dad are not going to put up with the bullshit we put up with. I'll tell you that right now. If I didn't know there was a tsunami coming, I wouldn't put up with this shit. Be like, what the fuck kind of ghetto weird ass place is this? Fucking crypto land. This place is fucked up. Right? In my world, I look at my charts, I place the order, all right, and then I wait for price targets. Yeah, this is all weird, right? This is all weird space. And so we're going to professionalize this space. We're going to gentrify the neighborhood. We're going to clean this shithole up. And then we'll be rich. Look. So Michael Hsu, the new head of the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency. So that's our new guy at the OCC. Last time we had Brian Brooks. Bang! Love you, Brian Brooks. Bang! He's the guy that gave us our banksters the legal authority to custody crypto. You know, Brian Brooks used to be a lawyer for Coinbase. So yeah, that's how that was good stuff that he did like that. But anyway, so now the new guy, his name is Michael Hsu. And, all right, so let's read on. Michael Hsu, the new head of the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, announced that the agency has been in talks with the U.S. Federal Reserve and the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation about setting up an interagency policy sprint team focused, and that's what I love. Here it is. Focused what? Bang! Just on crypto. Just on crypto. Yeah, an interagency team. So you get your crypto, you get your nerds, you get your nerds, you get your nerds. We put them together, and we're going to build some regulations around it. Here in America right now, we've got a bunch of legislation passing through our Congress and for crypto stuff, right? Yeah, well, shit like that takes a while, right? Here in America, you know, they argue. Oh, yeah, argue. But it's actually bipartisan, so. But still, shit takes time here. These fucksticks, they take forever to do shit. What's good about when these agencies do it? Yeah, well, I've told you, I've taught you, the SEC, the OCC. I don't know about the FDIC, but I know the SEC and the OCC. They're what's called semi-legislative authorities. In other words, do you know here in America, you vote for your legislators, your congressman and your senator and your president. Those are your legislators. In other words, those are the people that make the laws. But, and thankfully for us, here in America, the SEC, the OCC, the CFTC are semi-legislative bodies. In other words, these are people that you don't elect. You don't elect these people. They're appointed and they serve, they serve the president. And when they come out with a rule, well, that becomes law. So that's how last year we had that guy, Brian Brooks at the OCC. Yeah, well, when he said that the banksters here in America can now custody crypto, that's law. Well, until Congress, or if Congress overthrows that law, they can do that. But, right, he made law himself. And that's why we look, guys that are in the market like us, we look more at the regulators because they're quick on their feet. Yeah, it's one piece of paper. I put out one piece of paper, bang, that's the new law. So that's called semi-legislative authority. In other words, when the SEC chairman says something, that's the law. When the OCC chairman says something, that's the law. When the FDIC chairman says something, that's the law. When FINRA says something, that's the law. Until Congress comes out with something that might contravene that law, but Congress's law obviously overrides the regulators. So here's the legislators. You're the people that you actually elect. Here's Nancy Pelosi. Here's Mitch McConnell. Here's what other fucksticks we got up there? Paul Rand, AOC, Bernie Sanders. Yeah, so those are the ones you actually choose to make your laws. But Biden, he's got a crew of people that he put in power in semi-legislative bodies. And if these guys, the legislators, going to keep arguing, and don't make a law, well, guess what? These guys get to make the law. That's the regulatory power they have. And that's what they're saying is we're going to set up there's your politicians arguing, and then here's your regulators. So fuck those guys for now. And our regulators said that we're going to make an interagency thing just for crypto. And like I said, once these guys say bang, 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 that's the law. until they're overridden by, yes, the miscreants in Congress. That's how America works. And so that's what makes this good, is that, well, regulators don't take long to make laws because, well, they're not arguing. They're not arguing with another team. They're just, what do we want to do? What do we want to do? Let's do this, right? And that's what makes it, that's the beauty of the American system, is that, well, one of the pieces, while from a financial perspective, one of the beauties of the American system is that you don't have to wait for these motherfucking legislators, the people you elect, to make the laws. There's actually other motherfuckers that can make laws too. Semi-legislative. But they're still laws until they're overthrown. And so, bang! See what I'm saying? So don't worry about it. Shomari, man. Nancy Pelosi and Chuck Schumer and McCarthy and McConnell, they're not doing anything with crypto, Shomari. Settle down. We got Big Brains Gensler right there at the SEC. Oh, yeah. We got our homeboy Powell at the Fed Reserve. Oh, yeah. And then we got the other miscreants at the other regulatory bodies. And they can make the laws for us without these fucking politicians. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? And that's what you should be happy about. Believe me. Because we could wait fucking 10 years for those fuckers to stop arguing about something and just actually vote on something. So look, at a virtual hearing at the House Financial Services Committee on Wednesday, the OCC head said that he discussed the initiative with Fed Vice Chairman and Supervision Randall Quarles and FDIC Chair Helena McWilliams. Helena McWilliams. Anyways, I don't know her name. I've never heard it being said before. This is a really important issue. The rise of crypto has got a lot of attention. Bang! You daggone right. See what he's saying? Bang! The rise of crypto has got a lot of attention. It's here. It's here. You can't stop it. You just got to regulate it now. You got to regulate it. And once they regulate it, well, bang! That's going to unleash. Look. That's going to unleash the tsunami. Once we have regulatory clarity, that's going to unleash the tsunami. So look. Quarles said that the Fed has been working with other agencies in a joint effort to come up with a clear regulatory framework, regulatory clarity, for the cryptocurrency industry, including unified definitions. Stating, exactly, unifying definitions. So one agency doesn't view cryptocurrency this way, but one agency views cryptocurrency that way. No. This is how we look at shit, right? I know. We're getting a little geeky. We're getting a little geeky with the politics, but look, that's how America works. So I'm going to show you. So what he says is that we're sort of focused very intently on these crypto issues with the aim of having answers and joint views fairly quickly. I'm sure this will be achievable. So Quarles also noted that the Fed's growing efforts to explore a central bank digital currency, stating that the authority is actively involved in CBDC research. All right, fuck all that. We don't care about that. But yes, people, yes. America's on the way. Look, that's how it always goes. Let's get real about it. America's on the way. All right. America, fuck yeah. Coming again to save the motherfucking day, yeah. You ever heard that song? Watch that movie, America, World Police. That's funny. America, fuck yeah. Coming again to save the motherfucking day, yeah. That's what we're going to do right here. Here in crypto land. We need rules. Bang. We need regs. Bang. We need regulatory motherfucking clarity. But I'll tell you right now, the Fed Reserve, the Fed, the OCC, the FDIC, the agencies, they said, we're not waiting for these politicians. We're not waiting on daggone Congress. We're going to set up our own little fucking, not an agency, what is it? What do you call this? Just an interagency team, a task force for, bang, crypto regs. We'll do it ourselves. And then if they want to change anything, they can change it in their laws when they finally stop arguing and get around to fucking actually getting something done. Yeah, fuck. So, bang. This is a beautiful thing. This is a beautiful thing. Let's hope this thing happens fast. All right, let's move on. Bang. America. Fuck yeah. Coming again to save the motherfucking day, yeah. America. Fuck yeah. Freedom is the only way now. Yeah. You ever see that movie? Terrorist, your game is through. Now you'll have to answer to America. Fuck yeah. That was a funny movie with the little robot or the little puppets they used for it. All right, guys, let's just go on. See what miscreants we got here. Miguel G started his Twitter account just to follow me. Larry the Zebra, the bye. Pillsbury. Yes. Larry the Zebra, the bye. Deep Entertainment. Look. Soul brother. Larry the Zebra, the bye. He's a soul brother. Grudgeable. Larry the Zebra, the bye. Bitcoin Kong. Wow. Yes. Yeah, so I was talking Congolese there. Congolese with a K, not a C. As in the country. Love you, Kong. See you, Kong. Bang. So you got to talk to Kong. Melvin K. I'm a game dev creating VR games. I'm a crypto enthusiast. Bang. Oh, he even dropped some bang. What are you talking about, Melvin? BTC. Bang. Ethereum. Bang. Oh, he's got Cardano. Bang. Yeesh. We'll leave that alone. Link. Bang. Oh, and then he's got the true juice. VeChain and IOTA. Bang. And then he's got some funny stuff down here. Look. Oh, that new LTO thing. Everyone's talking about that. Yeah, my chat room. Look, Melvin. Love it with the C, brother. Bye. Hell yeah. Love you, brother. Look, there's Lorna. Look. She said, look. Daggone. Oh, yeah. I see what's going down around these parts. That's what she said. She said, I see what's going down around these parts, Fdic. Oh, yeah? Well, check this out. Bang! I'm all in, motherfuckers. She said she's all in. That's how it goes down. And as you can see from the portfolio roster, like I told you, you're like a sports team owner. Yeah, you got to get the best players. You want LeBron James or you want Shomari trying to dunk for you? Well, I can't dunk. You got to get the best roster. So she's got the best roster. Look at that roster. Big and juicy. Big old portfolio. Built big. Bang. Built strong. Bang. And filled with bang. Revenue generating product. Look, Lorna. Ah, girl. Look. Love girl. See girl. Bang. Oh, yeah. Revenue generating product. That's how she rolls. And that's how you should roll. Oh, we got Kong. What's he talking about? We don't panic around these parts. That's miscreen stuff. Look. Dang on right. Look. We ain't panicking around here. We slapping that ass and making that money. You know what I'm saying? All right, we're on a little downturn right here. You know what I mean? We're on a little downturn. A little month or two, little month or three, maybe a little month or six. A little downturn. But look, the overall trend is up. So settle down. Man up. Ladies, pull up your skirts. Let's go. Throw on those heels and let's go. Bang. 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 Yes. That's how Kong rolls. That's how it is, folks. Settle down. Smack that ass and have some fun. We're in this for the long haul. All right, I'm Raj. New follower. Love it, Zebra. Bang. Shimil Shamad. Beginner. Yes. Love it, Zebra. Bang. Carl Arana. Love it, Zebra. Bang. Where is everybody? Fire Bunny. Love it, Zebra. Bang. New follower. Atul Gokul Moore. Love it, Zebra. Bang. Morte. Who's this chick here? Camille Kenton. Cool Hunter in the Zeitgeist Zone. IT, FinTech Law, Privacy Advocate, Data Security, HODL, Smart Contracts, Blockchain. She's not bad looking either. Look, Camille. Love your girl, see you, girl. Bang. She's a little smarty pants. Contract law. You know, I like me some little lawyer girls. All right. Yes, educated little lawyer girls. Look, Biniam. Whoop. Where we going? Biniam. Connecting the dots. Love it, see with the bang. Technically bullish with the red eyes. Bitcoin eyes. Love it, see with the bang. Native Warrior. Yes. Where's Chief Vizo lately? I haven't seen him around. From the Pasquiyaki tribe. Love it, see with the bang. Sunny Bee, Spy Lady. You never see her around. Yes. She's a spy lady. That's how they do it. Spies don't like to be seen. Yes. They don't like to be watched. They like to watch. Look, Sunny Bee, Spy Lady. Lovely Lady, see you, lady. Bang. Oh, yeah. Who's this guy here? This guy's looking half naked. MG. Love it, see you with the bang. Robbie Hardaway. Yes. Went with us for a while. Love it, see you with the bang. Abundantly Me. Love it, see you, brother. And the kid. Bang. Banks, new brother. Love it, see you with the bang. Yes. What's this guy talking about here? Ryan Overstreet. I'm here for the blockchain revolution. Gym rat, futurist, and student of globalization. Yes, yes. Good stuff. Globalization, brother. Read the book One World Ready or Not. Because here we are. We're in it, aren't we? We're in globalization, aren't we, brother? Look, most people don't understand yet, but they will. Love the zebra, the bang. Deborah, love you, lady, see you, lady. Bang. And Wesley, love the zebra, brother. Bang. All right, that's good enough. Let's get back to the Death Star. Did I miss anyone? Let's see. All right, that's good enough. Let's get back to the Death Star. Bang. Yes. All right, guys. We had a great show for you today. Naturally. Naturally. I mean, Shomari, why do you always say that? You know it's going to be great. Of course it's great. It's the greatest, but just have to acknowledge it sometimes. All right, guys. Seriously, though. Look, we had a great show for you today. Bang. Chiliz Onboards 2 Formula 1 teams. So, Chiliz, man, that motherfucker, those boys over there, they are sewing up team after team, league after league, which is their use case. That's their use case. And so, well, if their use case is getting used, well, that should tell you something. Revenue generating product, which should tell you something else. Bang! Wouldn't hurt to have it in your portfolio. Like, I'm not telling you to buy Chiliz, but I'm just saying for those of you who are like, I'm thinking about it. What do you think, Shomari? What's your opinion? Well, my opinion is it definitely would not hurt. It definitely would not hurt to have Chiliz in your portfolio. All right? That's not going to hurt. It's not going to hurt at all. No. That's not going to hurt at all. And at these prices, now that we're getting crushed in the markets here, I mean, fuck. You know, everything's on sale. Everything's on sale. So, I mean, fuck. In my opinion, you get that Chiliz. Like I've told you, Chiliz has Juventus, Barcelona, Paris Saint-Germain, UFC Fighting Championship. I mean, you know, they're not fucking around. And for that little niche that they're in, that whole fan token thing that they're in, yeah, well, they're doing the best. They've onboarded the best, the biggest and the best. So, and it will only continue from there, right? Like I said, it's not a hard shill. Chiliz makes money when the fans use the Socios network and they get the tokens and all that. Yeah, but the teams actually make money. Yeah, well, if you want to buy LeBron James, maybe you need a couple more bucks. maybe the extra money you make from the Chiliz thing, that'll help you secure that contract. So you never know. So I don't know. You know, so that's how that goes. Chiliz, 2 more Formula One teams. Bah! All right. And then Polkadot announces Kusama, which is ready to host parachains. And so that was more of just an upgrade story. That's how we do on Saturdays. We get a little loose. Yeah. I don't really know what else to say. Just it gives the functionality, right? It gives the functionality to Polkadot. Hold on a second. Yeah, you know, it just gives functionality and stuff, and good stuff for Polkadot, good stuff for Kusama. Kusama and Polkadot hodlers. Bang! And then finally, yes, the big stuff, the good stuff. The U.S. Federal Reserve and the OCC and the FDIC set up an interagency team for crypto only. Crypto only. They're not going to be worrying about other stuff. This is straight crypto. In other words, laser focused. And that's amazing here in America. Let's get real. I mean, people are doing what they're doing. The Germans and the Swiss, you know, they're launching this and this and this. But everyone's waiting to really see what is America going to do with this crypto stuff, right? That's how it always goes, you know. And so, wow. This interagency thing doesn't hurt. It's great. Like I said, these are the Fed Reserve, the OCC, the FDIC, SEC. What else we got? What other letters do we got out there? CFTC, FINRA, FINRA. Yeah, they're what's called semi-legislative bodies. And so when they come out with a ruling, a regulation, well, that becomes law. That becomes law until Congress overturns that law. Right? And that's what, you know, people don't understand is that there's all these agencies out here that actually make laws. And these are people, you didn't elect them. No one elected Big Brains Gensler. You should have. I would have voted for him to be the SEC chair. You didn't elect him. Yeah, but he's going to find out. Well, he's going to rule on whether we get an ETF or not. Right? You don't elect the OCC guy. Yeah, but Brian Brooks, the last OCC chairman, he said, yeah, fuck all this. I'm just going to unleash fucking crypto on the whole bankster community. Bang! Here, you guys get to custody crypto. Yeah, one guy. Right? Well, the agency. I mean, let's get real. It's not like the guy's a dictator. They got to vote and stuff like that. But let's get real. When the boss wants something done, it gets done, right? We all know how that works. I mean, everyone falls in line, when the new boss comes around. And so that's how it works. And so that's the beauty of America, is that even though we have these fucksticks up in Congress arguing, oh yeah, Democrats, Republicans, arguing. Don't worry. These guys are up here arguing, right? Not getting anything done. Don't worry. We have regulators down here that are getting the work done. So, man, this is a beautiful thing, and we'll see what it comes up with. So, just regulatory clarity. And like what I told you, I've told you this from the beginning of this channel. What I think the actual regulatory clarity will be that Bitcoin and Ethereum are commodities. That the cryptocurrency stuff, the wannabe money stuff, well, they're cryptocurrencies, they're currencies. So they'll treat that differently. But what we're invested in, bang, is distributed ledger technology services providers. Motherfuckers with blockchains that service our companies, our industries, and our governments. Oh, yeah. And they generate revenue. And if you've been to this channel, well, that's what you should be invested in. DLT services providers. And, well, like I said, I think they're going to treat those like stocks. Just like stocks. Yeah, my VeChain, when I buy a VeChain, it's like I'm buying stock of VeChain. But what about the VTHO, Shomari? What about it, dickhead? That's like a dividend. You ever heard of dividends? Every company gives out dividends. Oh, well. VeChain's dividends are called VThors. No different. What do you think these crypto nerds got these ideas from? Yeah, from the real markets, from us. All right. Currency pair tradings, that's from the Forex market. They copied it. Burning coins, yeah, that's from the Federal Reserve. They copied it. Right? They've just copied all the little parts of the real markets of the goodie room and slapped it together into this thing called cryptocurrency. Well, crypto land, whatever, if you want to look at it that way. Which is good. Which is great. And so the U.S. Fed Reserve, the OCC, and the FDIC are setting up the interagency team for crypto. And that's going to give us regulatory clarity way before Congress fucking finally gets around to writing the laws. But like I just said, the Fed Reserve, the OCC, the FDIC, they are semi-legislative bodies. So when they make the laws or they make rules, they say, okay, you can do this or that. Yeah, well, that's the law. Until Congress changes it, that's the law. And so we should have regulatory clarity soon. When, Shomari? I don't know, dog. But there won't be a... Let me put it this way. For those of you who've been here and you know what I'm talking about, we're not going to have a Noah Fest 2021. I think that's pretty much off the books now. We're looking at a 2022 Noah Fest. And, but, yeah, the juice is worth the squeeze. So, huddle and have a great weekend. On that note, let's chill it back. Let's kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. So look, subscribe below, press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show. Look. The multiverse. Look, my name is Shomari Clarke. Love talking money. Bang. Love talking crypto. Bang. This is the favorite time of my day. So, thank you for having me home, and I'll see you on Tuesday. It's a more fun, fact-filled day of crypto talk. So until then, have a great weekend. Yeesh. And accumulate. Because we got some sales going on up in this piece. Look. That Chiliz one wouldn't hurt. I'm not saying to buy it. I'm just saying it wouldn't hurt. So look, until then, subscribe below, press the bell. Bang. Watch that video there. Bang. Greatest of the multiverse. And my name is Shomari Clarke. I love you guys. Have a great weekend. And I will see you all on Tuesday. So until then, Bye. My name is Shomari Clarke. Always watching our money. Yes. Over and out.